right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from the back of this drone. All right, so this is the name of it. It's called an Ameta beginner drone. I think it's an S20 beginner drone, yeah. And this is the front of the drone. You can see it says 4K, I think, on there, 4K f2.0. That's the camera, all right? And this camera does 4K. It's a pretty cool camera, to tell you the truth. All right, if you flip it over to the back, you're going to see that there's a little itty bitty like finger thing here that you smush on to pop it out. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your thumb on there, push it, and then pull it like that, okay? You see how it's coming out? And I'm going to slide it right out just like that, okay? And then if you look on this side of it, you're going to see that there's a USB-C right here, port, and there's the contacts. So when it goes in, this side goes up and this side is on the bottom, and that's your little release mechanism. You see how I smush it down and it kind of releases it? So to put it back in, I've got to turn it this way, right? There's the port that it goes in, and I'm going to slide it in just like that, and then I just give it a little push. You hear a click, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to rock. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.